How to fix TikTok birthday problem. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, so all what you want to do here is just wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. So after that you have just to scroll all the way down until you find TikTok, and when you find it just click on it like this. Now, all what you want to do here is click on this force stop option. When you click on it, click on the storage and then click on clear data, clear cache. Go back, click on permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back. Now, all what you want to do is restart your phone and reopen TikTok, and then you have to try, and I am sure that the problem of the birthday is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.